We would have saved 2 billion rand every year.
Now this one is not real. Repeat it, please.
We would have saved 2 billion rand every year.
My friend, are you sure? But how can
We
we
already
do
have
that?
what we would call amapanya panya or the green beans, right?
If you think the EFF only knows how to match, I think again. While everyone is complaining about Panyaza so former Panyaza wardens running around with no clear plan, Kululeko Tungwa just dropped a financial masterclass that even his biggest haters can't ignore. It's time to stop the bribe and start the business of saving Gauteng.
Take it this way. The state, let's look at one particular department, right? The Department of Health spends about 2 billion rand on security annually. So over 3 years, it's 6 billion, right? 6 billion would have been equivalent to the entire budget on human settlement in the next 3 years. It will reach 6 billion, right? So you already have what we would call amapanya panya or the green beans, right? Who are employed by the state. They're busy running around. They don't have a function. They don't know what to do. They're busy. Everywhere, you know. Take those. Take that unit.
Yeah.
Repurpose it. Put it in hospitals. Let it be the ones that become our security guards. Because they already have supervisors, they've got transport, they've got systems, they've got everything. We would have saved 2 billion rand every year. You then take that 2 billion rand, you direct it to other areas that require a much needed attention.